Bus Ride 031, Ube Express 2132. Mantlayan City, 19.290. From NAIA Terminal 3, Araneta Busport.
Enjoy my 31st bus ride.
Time check 6:34 PM, leaving NAIA Terminal 3. So, lalabas na tayo dito sa Terminal 3.
It's a big city. It's gonna take time, but I think we have enough time to do stuff. To get from somewhere to somewhere, right?
Medyo hindi kita yung biyahe kasi medyo gabi na eh. 6:30.
You don't need to plan anything. You don't need to plan anything. Just sit down, relax, grab a big view, grab a cigarette. That's it.
So, video tayo ulit pagka nag-iba na yung daan natin. Ito yung ESC. Okay. Time check 6:42, entering Aurora Boulevard, which is yung daan na doon yung 5-star bus terminal, then yung palabas ng EDSA. Okay, so yun, papasok na tayo ng Aurora Boulevard. So kung ano, doon mo lang malaman na dalawa yung Aurora Boulevard dito. Aurora Boulevard sa Quezon City at yung Aurora Boulevard dito sa Pasay. like na-amaze ako dun. Grabe. Eh, nakita ko na yung dating garahe ng Philfranco. Just napansin ko walang masyadong laman yun. Uy, ano to? Uy, King London Aldrin. Okay, time check 6:45, entering EDSA Tramo, or also known as the Malibay Pasay. So yun, sa may bandang Malibay Pasay na tayo. So ito na yung EDSA yun.
Japan, for example.
So expect natin na ang biyahe ay mabilis dahil pwede siya dumaan sa EDSA bus lane.
Either Germany or the Netherlands.
Joanna Dish.
You don't have to take the plane, right? You don't need to take the plane.
So yung pinagkaiba ng ating unang trip dito sa Ube Express, nag-NAIA X yung sinakyan natin. Pero yung sinakyan natin na yun is dumaan sa 5-star bus terminal. Yun ang ating nalaman sa difference ng dinaan ng bus. Okay, so time check 6:47, malapit na tayo sa EDSA Magallanes.
United States, yeah, no way. You're gonna get to a different country in a couple of hours. That's not gonna happen. Then just know, even if you start from Germany, if you drive with the car for 2 hours, you're either in the Netherlands or Austria or
paahon yung
Start from
daan.
Europe to go to like Italy or something.
Any skyway.
What is that? Yeah, a lot of construction.
Time check, 6:49. Palapit na tayo sa EDSA Ayala.
You have nothing else. In the middle? Just go fast.
Yes.
From there?
Grabing traffic sa kabilang line guys. Yeesh. Uwi na rin kasi ang oras na mga rush hour na.
A lot of places are walking distance.
Okay, so time check, 6:15. Sa ilalim na tayo ng EDSA. Okay, so time check, 6:53. Nakalabas na tayo ng EDSA Ayala Tunnel, and yes, sobrang traffic
I like this one
sa EDSA.
because it's green.
That's deceiving you. It's not really.
So siguro pagkalabas natin dito sa EDSA Ayala, malamang mabilis na yung biyahe natin kasi
Yeah,
nasa loob na tayo ng bus lane.
at least the trees are green.
So mabilis na yung biyahe natin.
My mother doesn't so much less. Much hard. I'm not
Because you get like paranoia or something.
not really. Like I'm not that's just
Okay, ayun na. So hindi pa tayo sa kabilang lane, which is yung bus lane.
But the stuff they have in Japan is actually really, really good.
really good.
It's a secret
I'm not going to this. I don't really
from the Russian woman.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, so here you go. We're entering the bus lane.
She gave
Ito
me
na.
2 for this one. So usually for
So dito na
one,
mapapabilis ang ating biyahe.
5,000.
Ayun na, mabilis na. Time check, 6:56. Buen dia.
I have it, but
Teka, ba't tayo gusto? May bus. Kala ko nakikisabay ito sa carousel.
Japan is actually the same everywhere. The same
So,
price.
hindi pa tayo dito. Okay. Inner lane. Time check, 6:58. Nasa may bandang Cockwell na tayo. MSG.
What does that mean? That's why they named it after a good god.
It's actually
Uy, ARMJ, Elaville. Angas. No, ano siya, under Bitsy. Hindi ko isa po. Kaya tayo sa may EDSA Magallanes. Grabe mas pa. Hirap na hirap. Kaya Vizcaya. Vizcaya, Peña Francia.
You guys like Chinatown?
No, that's kind of
Why? That's trade.
because there's a lot of the actually they came here
Okay, time check. Exactly 7 o'clock. Sa may Magallanes na tayo.
have a lot of
Do you guys have a lot of immigrants here?
Time check 7:06. Nasa EDSA Ortigas na tayo. At ito yung I think di ko sure if dito rin yung para sa SM North EDSA na bus stop.
some bars they don't have a lot of things. They just allow
Sabi po naman yung pharmacy. Oh, tayuan sila. Standing. Well, nakataas ako na din yan last nung huli kong vlog sa EDSA Carousel. Sis yung Johans 5M ata yung nasakyan ko nun from Double Dragon to
It's a bit different though. I think the demo ones are a little bit more heavy.
actually change. I usually smoke
Different brands?
the blue one. The minty one.
Minty one? You smoke that now? Why do you stop the demo?
I just want something lighter.
MRT.
How do you pronounce your name?
Consecutive shuttle.
Pronouncing it right.
What?
Pronouncing it right.
How about your your own language?
Okay, time check 7:09. EDSA White Plains.
At least I said it right.
Time check 7:10. Ayun, nasa Santolan, Annapolis. So So, malapit na tayo sa Araneta Center, ay Araneta City Passport. Earth Star. Okay. Diyan tricks scan mo.
There's those people now?
I know these those things.
MRT.
You know the number to basketball?
Labas na tayo ng bus lane kasi papasok tayo ng Paytwa, so papunta sa Araneta Passport. So 1904 961 Maveltrans 803 First Metro Bus Express Earth Star uli number hindi kita yung number Geltrans 1911
And you're the second member of the group chat that I've actually visited.
time check 7:13 dito tayo papusok na tayo ng Paytwason lapit tayo sa ating final touchdown which is ang Araneta Center Passport.
Well, I couldn't go back to
Ay, yung
Netherlands
Volvo
yet,
ng
so-
SIM. Medyo rare siguro sa Capsel.
Eventually, I'll
Ako
have
mas
to go
rare,
back
mas
there.
rare yata yung ano, hindi ko na sa Albert na under Santo Niño. No.
Do you have any timeline like when you're coming? Do you have like
An estimated time? Shit.
Pasok na tayo ng Paytwason. Okay. Okay, time check 7:15 Paytwason. Uy, Diamond Star, Kinlong. Ito nga pala lagi yung bus na nakikita ko sa itong man na Uga Express. Minsan ko lang makita yung ano nila, yung Mercedes-Benz MCD 120 na naka Maybus, Cebu Maybus ticket. Okay, so time check 7:18, malapit tayo sa ating touchdown. Pulang tayo sa may SM Cubao.
Let's see.
So since malapit na ma-end ang ating video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also follow our official TikTok and Facebook page. So, time check 7:20. Ito na yung ating touchdown ang Araneta City Busport, and then papasok na tayo sa Busport. Ito na, papasok na tayo ng Busport, and here we go. Sana nandito yung DMS na biyaheng Cubao, Tagum, Davao. Pero kung wala, okay lang. Basta may mga bus time, may spot dito. Ito, Gold Star lang ating makikita. Wala na ibang bus.
There? Is this the last stop?
That's point.
Ito yung guide natin. Ang man